say excited. I'm curious to see what's all the way back here. 48 nails equals a solid board. Yeah, 48 equals solid, yep. Start with a flux capacitor. Every last one of them, even these little bitty ones.
Yeah.
The bubbles gotta go.
Right.
Ledges, all that, any of it. All that's gotta go. Y'all are gonna sand the whole damn wall. I'm just gonna do this spot to show y'all how to pull these. This right here gets pulled the same way you pulled it the first time. It's just one knife. Straight down through there, that's it. And this one right here is gonna be a little different. Go get the two long blades out of it. It's like I was saying, you just leave here and here, that's all you gotta sand. So, right here we got some rust, get that worked out. Like I said, get your center line knocked down. Kind of looks like it is, but we'll have to make it look not like. Get these lines. Alright, now. So in a nutshell, when you break out them blades, this needs to be pretty close. Pretty close to being about done. All you got left really is that center line. But so you get it all sanded. Now you wipe it all out. I don't know, maybe Bryson likes I don't. I like my Alright, now.
It's supposed to be a good instructional.
Mud.
There's a little bit left in there. For this.
You really don't even need a lot of mud on these. Yeah. You want to keep it light. Alright, now. Practically do the same thing you done to tape them, but you want to come out a little further. And before you break that out, you want to make sure you get all of these, all your pebbles out of your Learn to keep your mud cleaner, you'll be a better mudder. Another one. Anyway. This will go a lot smoother when you got a clean pan. Anyway, so we got this worked out. And then you just want to light coat. You want to make sure it's clean of it. Get all your rocks out of it. You don't want to have no rocks when you hit that big blade. pretty close where I'm gonna be. So here's where you wanna break out your big blade. There we go. So your first thing first, you put your pressure outside just like any of the rest of it. You're gonna float that outside edge out. Same thing here, pressure outside, float your outside edge out. We'll be popping. Alright, longest one. Now here, it's got a little line in the middle to let you know where your center is. So you always want to kind of come up and line that up on your line. Now your pressure goes, see I'm spreading my fingers out? Because I'm not just pressing out of it, but I'm making sure to spread out the pressure. You don't want to put it all on the outside. You don't want to put it all right in the middle. You kind of want to come right here and just kind of spread your pressure out. And that's why you don't want to rock in it, because you'll go all the way down that bit. See if I can find this rock. Right there, I believe it was on the blade. And that's it. Simple, easy, not a bump in it one. Get right over here. Look at that. There ain't no wave. That's smooth as a baby's ass. So that's what you need to. That's what you need to be like. You pull it all off whenever you use that thing. And this thing here, what I like to do, I like to come directly over to my bucket. Do you have a flat knife, like a small flat knife?
The black man was in there.
In here? That's good. That's what you want to do. You want to keep it in there. You come over here and grab it. Slide the blade off every time. Every time. Never use it twice. Once you use it, clean it off. Get it completely clean, grab your rag. And you want that to be prepped and ready. That way when you grab it next time, there ain't no mud dry on it, none of that. There's some paint on it. That ain't gonna bother you none, but anyway, keep it clean and it'll keep you clean. I'm gonna show you that. That's a good tool. So that's the way you do all them button on it. But now these here, you do the exact same thing that you've done. You use that blade and you do a single scoop.
Yeah, you don't use that just on the up and down.
Right. Now you can use that 2-footer if you have a bad spot, like say, I would never do this, but if for some reason our sheets just weren't lined up and we had a horrible spot to fill, then you might use that 2-footer to kind of float out a real bad spot.
Yeah.
But with what you're standing at right now, that 12-inch knife will be all you need to finish your horizontal joints. Your 3-foot knife will finish your tall one. And it would surprise me if that has to be mudded again. If it does, it'll be very minute. I mean, once you do that, you just down there done.